Hi, I'm Ravi, and I have been a part of Domino's for past 5 years. And today, as I welcome you to the Domino's family, I can assure you that a bright tomorrow awaits you.
Jubilant Foodworks operates with Domino's Pizza and Dunkin' Donuts and more as two leading brands.
Ever since I started working here, my personality has changed completely.
In the beginning, I was always confused. But as I started working with the vision of being a part of exceptional organization on a mission to be the best pizza delivery company in the world,
My confidence has boosted, and I have become a confident and integral part of the Domino's family. And what is our goal? Yes.
our mission is to consistently delight our customers with great taste and choice, along with friendly, courteous, prompt and safe service.
There are times when all of us need a little inspiration, and every time our spirits are uplifted by our CEO. I think that you are wondering if you made the right choice by joining us. Well, our CEO Ajay will tell you about how we have grown and why being a Dominoid is one of the best decisions you have made. I'm sure that you have understood that all of us speak the same language across the company. Ajay has also clarified what is expected from each one of us. It is by moving forward with these ambitions in mind that we can grow as an individual and as a company. Across the company, each one of us speak the same language. Simply put, once a Dominoid, always a Dominoid. Ever since Domino's started operations in India, many milestones have been crossed by us. And together, we will achieve many more. I'm sure that by now you all agree that we are a company that has achieved great success and is poised to continue doing so. But you must also be curious as to how an individual can grow within the company. It is perhaps the fastest growth opportunity for people from diverse backgrounds who rely only on their skills and hard work to excel. And it doesn't end here. Unlimited opportunities await you with number of options like training, BD across locations, and BHO.
And the best part about working here, there is absolutely no differentiation here based on gender or any other stigma.
And if any wrongdoing is happening, you can file a complaint through Ombudsman. I know that you all must be eager to get going. So let me welcome you all. And together let's say,